Water is never going to be what's to blame. What's going to be to blame is the nutrient balance that you're not getting or is out of balance in terms of what you're consuming. This may sound a little bit weird, but I do get asked the question a lot, so I want to bring it up. A lot of people tell me that they stop drinking water or reduce their water because they've heard that drinking a lot of water can actually cause bloating. Now, I need to remind you that your body is like upwards of 75% water, or it should be. So it seems like if we're adding water or giving the body something that it wants, it shouldn't be causing us bloating. However, if we put water into the body and we are eating a lot of sodium, so let's say we're having a lot of processed foods or we're adding a lot of salt to our food, or let's say that we put water into the body and we're not getting enough potassium, which works in opposition to sodium. So let's say we never have avocado or banana or coconut water or other rich sources of potassium. Then the water may end up staying outside of the cells and not going into the cells. And in that instance, you can certainly feel bloated. But let's remember, the water isn't what's to blame there. Water is never going to be what's to blame. What's going to be to blame is the nutrient balance that you're not getting or is out of balance in terms of what you're consuming. So a great way to think about it is, before you run out and take a whole bunch of supplements, start with your diet. Is your diet getting too much salt? Well, then we need to reduce it. If you're having a little bit of salt and you could be salt sensitive, then maybe we even need to incorporate spices and reduce that more. But equally important, if not more important, is if you're having salt, you need to make sure that you're getting in the potassium. So remember those potassium-rich foods, which even include potato. What's more delicious than that?